Today, I want to share a delicious and nutritious recipe, chia seed, overnight pudding with a fantastic blend of superfoods, beetroot, blueberries, raspberries, coconut milk, and almond seeds. Let's explore the amazing benefits of each ingredient and how they come together to create a health-boosting treat. First, let's talk about beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is not only visually appealing, but also incredibly beneficial for your body. Beetroot is known to boost blood flow and lower blood pressure. Thanks to its natural nitrates, it can enhance your stamina, making it a great choice for those who are active or looking to improve their exercise performance. Next up, we have blueberries, often hailed as a superfood. These little berries are packed with antioxidants that help protect our cells from oxidative stress. They support brain health, improve memory, and can even reduce inflammation in the body. Adding blueberries to your pudding not only makes it delicious, but also gives you a cognitive boost. Now, let's introduce raspberries. These vibrant berries are not only tasty, but also rich in fiber and vitamins. They promote digestive health, help regulate blood sugar levels, and are loaded with antioxidants, which can support heart health. Including raspberries in your pudding adds a burst of flavor and nutrition. Moving on to coconut milk. This creamy ingredient adds a rich texture to your pudding. It's loaded with healthy fats, particularly medium-chain triglycerides, which are beneficial for heart health. Coconut milk also supports hydration and can aid in weight management, making your pudding both tasty and nourishing. Lastly, we have almond seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins. They aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, making them a great addition to your pudding. Almond seeds enhance the nutritional profile of your dish while adding a delightful crunch. So, when you combine chia seeds with beetroot, blueberries, raspberries, coconut milk, and almond seeds, you create a nutrient-packed overnight pudding that supports heart health, boosts brain function, aids digestion, and promotes overall wellness. It's a delicious and easy way to start your day or enjoy as a snack. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're inspired to try this chia seed overnight pudding